What's up, YouTubers? Right here we got the Evolve Bamboo GT. Just do a little drop on the trucks. As far as, it's about like half an inch drop or so. Helps drop the board down. Give me some, better stability at high speeds. Did a little something on the bushings. Did a single cone on the upper and the rear, and then I did a dual cylinder on the bottom section here. And the front, I got the standard Evolve, and then I dropped a red cylinder and then a black cone, which is a little bit softer, so it goes soft, medium, hard with the Evolves. Obviously I got the 107 wheels on there. Dropped in some bone ceramics bearings all the way around, and then a ceramic drive bearing for the drive in the rear. Did some basic little stippling, just messing around for the covers. Modified the covers from the 83 millimeter setup covers, and just kind of honed those off with a Dremel or whatever. Got some lights in the rear. Got lights up in the front. And I can show you that stuff real quick. Always gotta have the red and blues on the front, double. Because it just looks like you're a cop rolling down the street. At night, people just pull right on over. They don't even know what the hell's going on. In the rear, this thing's pretty dope because I got it hooked up to my remote. I set it up with Lazer. Kind of shines back. It gives a little bit more depth as far as anybody, rolling up behind you. It shoots back pretty far, which I can adjust the angle of how far it goes out if I tip the light up. But I pretty much have it set up to where it's just hanging right over the top of the motors. Make sure it's nice and clean. Got my Tron set up, It just obviously looks dope. And I got some extra lighting underneath here, which we got a remote. You can do like 300 different settings, which is ridiculous, but pretty much rock some white, throw it on auto, and just let it, pop off. Here or there, And as far as the actual headlamp goes, shit's like 12 lumens or something like that. It's pretty much bright enough to illuminate the entire road in front of me. I always have cars being like flashing me and whatnot, and I'm like, I'm not even a car. Anyways, shit's pretty dope. And it's pretty much like a fucking UFO rolling down the road. But as far as gearing goes, just got the 32 gears in the rear with the 15 coming off the motor. Probably want to go and get the 38 because I do get a little bit of battery sag if I'm under like 35-40% or so on the battery. But other than that, I don't really have any battery sag. I hooked up this remote right here and just fabbed on this remote on top of my remote, so we can be legal rolling on the road. We can hit the turn signal, go left and right. I also have control of the light too, where I can change the setting, so I can make it flash a little bit. I can turn the laser on and off. I can make the lasers flash. So like, you can make sure you're gonna be seen out there, especially at night. Definitely don't want to get hit. But yeah, that's my little setup, little customization on the Evolve Bamboo GT. I definitely recommend lowering it like I did. It does help out as far as stability goes, and you still get like that nice cruising snowboard, carbon setup, if you like that feel anyways. Anyways, that's my board. drop some likes or whatever, comments, whatever. I'll be happy to answer any questions. Peace.